Yeah, Pakistan are obviously a quality side. They've come off the back of their PSL tournament just recently, and they've obviously picked guys that are in form. So even though we're missing a few players due to the IPL commitments, it presents opportunities for other players. And even though we have some guys that haven't played a huge amount of cricket, we've also got some guys that have played a lot of T20 cricket for New Zealand. So it's an exciting opportunity for this group to come over here into conditions we haven't played a lot in before, and hopefully we can put a good performance on the board. We haven't had the ideal preparation, but that's obviously what we're faced with. It's something that we can't control. We've come off the back of a series against Sri Lanka with some one-days and T20s, and the guys play some really good cricket. We were put under pressure at times, but we're able to come through that and obviously win that series against Sri Lanka. So coming here, it's about trying to adapt as quick as we can to conditions. We were here only a couple of months ago playing some one-day cricket. So and we've had a couple of guys that have been playing in the PSL. So for us, it's about trying to gather as much information as we can tonight and try adapt to these conditions as quick as we can, and hopefully that will give us a good chance throughout the series. It's obviously exciting to play the first T20 here. For this team to be given that opportunity is really special. I think for us, it's about trying to, focus on our game plan and our blueprint as best we can. We obviously know Pakistan are a quality side. They've got match winners throughout, their whole squad, whether that be in the field with the bat and the ball. So, I think for us it's just coming and trying to play our brand of cricket as best we can. We've seen throughout the PSL that there's been some high scores, not necessarily here as much, but at the other two grounds there's been some high scoring games. So, we're really looking forward to the challenge, and as I said earlier, if we can adapt as quick as we can, then hopefully that will give us a good chance throughout the series. They're a quality side. They've got quality fast bowlers throughout, the guys that can bowl quick, guys that can bowl well at the death as well. And as I said, they've come off the back of a PSL tournament where they've been playing a lot of T20 cricket. So hopefully we'll be able to the batsmen will have good plans to negate what they're throwing at us. But I think from our point of view, it's just a really exciting opportunity to come up against a quality Pakistan side. They're certainly going to be different to what we're faced with. Obviously, we were here a couple of months ago around Christmas time where we played, the one-day series in Karachi, where the wickets were, probably slightly different to what we'll be faced with here over the next month or so. We've seen some really big scores in the PSL, so they probably haven't produced as much turn or slowness, that we're potentially faced with, a couple of months ago. So, as I said, for us, it's about trying to adapt as quick as we can. As international cricketers, you've got to adapt as quick as you can, and hopefully, if we can do that, then hopefully be able to hit the ground running, and hopefully put some good performances on the board.